Camera is good. We're in Houston. Yeah, we're in Houston. We're about to go hit Alphalete. What's good?
And looking for Megan Thee Stallion.
Oh, where's she at? Because Hot Girl Summer's hot underway, okay? This camera though, fire. Grateful. Look how good this camera, like, I cannot even believe. Wow, it's so short compared to you. Dude, if I get closer, maybe I don't look as short. She about to swoosh head ass out of here. Welcome to
Cat.
Guys, I know you've seen our like little whisper challenge that we did last time, a couple of years ago, 2019, was it? 2019?
Yeah, we did. Wait, we did a whisper and was that the only one that we did alone?
But we also did our mukbang from Chick-fil-A.
I want to rewatch it. Yeah, we were high. Wait, I forgot to do my eyebrows. Oh shit,
we
sorry.
were what?
We were high on life. I think that's what we said. We're just so high on life. Like we're just so happy all the time.
I'm gonna do some pump. Oh, come on, focus on me, baby.
Focus
on me. There we go.
That's not the song. Baby, can you focus?
What song is that one?
By Her.
I don't know what song.
H-E-R, like Her.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
wow.
wait.
I don't know.
Is it? I don't know. It might be.
Pump, peach, and we're gonna do some Legend Sour Patch Kids Red Berry. This flavor is bomb, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, use my code CATV on the screen right there for you, so you can save 20% off your entire purchase from the Ghost Lifestyle website. And
get
of course, yes, definitely get your greens, but it also supports me. So thank you if you do happen to use that. All right, let's I'm gonna dry scoop. You're gonna do like actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the flavor.
All right.
To the dome. Cheers. That's so good.
When people be like it's not that bad, you guys.
Do you think
It's not that
there's a whole
bad.
bag that has just the red berry ones?
I don't know. That's a good
Wait,
question. That's okay. They got a little white dust around the lips. Swear to God, yesterday these arms were hella jacked.
Oh my God, they look massive.
They are so freaking sore right now. But if you don't want to be choking on your dry scooping action, just put a little bit of water in your mouth first.
Yeah, and like swish it around.
Swish it around. Yeah.
That one's bigger. And then water after, I always do.
See you guys, it ain't no thing.
It's gone, what the fuck? It takes me so long to get rid of it.
The peach actually has like a little soury taste.
Does it?
Yeah.
I like that. Wait, let me see. Dusty.
My dusty ass out here. Let's get to stepping. Outfit. Ooh, okay. Is the pump working already? What? What? All right, let's go to Alphalete. Boom.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
Torchy's place that Mr. Max Tuning has mentioned a couple times in his vlogs. So we're about to see what it's about. No, this is not a mango frozen margarita. It's actually passion fruit. And I told him to add tahini on the rim because that's how we do. Oh my god. That kind of went through my nose a little bit. That's actually really good. So good. I'm kind of mad they close in an hour because I could go for like several of these. Okay, Max, I see you. Finally, because my experience at Keeper Sushi was not it, to whoever said that. It wasn't Max. I didn't hear it from Max, but just saying. Yesterday we went to Ninfa's on Navigation. Oh my god. Such great tacos. I had like a glazed salmon tacos to die for. Delicious. So definitely recommend there if you're in Houston. We got our tacos. Boom. Shrimp, which is fried shrimp. Fried shrimp. I'm not gonna read the whole thing. That's too much. And then trailer park. What the hell? Trailer park, which is fried chicken with green chilies. Deliciousness. So let's give it a shot. Let's give it a quick shot. Oh, this sauce looks pretty fire, not gonna lie. Chipotle. Damn, okay. Yeah, that's good. Apparently they could do it grilled too. Yeah, she asked like, do you want it, we could do it grilled if you want. And I'm like, nah, fried. Definitely fried. A poblano sauce, ooh. A little poblano sauce drizzle. What is that, cheddar cheese? Yeah, cheddar jack. Interesting. That's such an interesting like cheese choice for taco. Like gushing out of the sides. Sheesh! Drip, drip everywhere. Okay.
I think it's worth the hype. Look at that shrimp.
It's pretty good. It has a little bit of too much of a salty kick though. Like it's not bad at all, but it's a little too much. So I'm gonna save the shrimp for last. Definitely go with the shrimp. I feel like the chicken is more like if you want to go a little bit more unhealthy, like you want to go in, for sure. The shrimp is definitely more of like the happy medium, like you still going in, but still feeling good without feeling like guilty, you know? The chicken, the trailer park is definitely a, oh, I'm gonna feel guilty after this. Not that you have to be feeling guilty over eating food, okay? Jeez, don't comfort me. Eat all your food. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this, okay? I'm just kidding. I just don't want you to comfort me, okay? I'm just saying. All right, I'm gonna eat. Cheers. Are we ending a vlog here? We're gonna end it here. I don't know, but just in case, have a good night. I'm gonna have a good night. I'm gonna have a good night. A real good night.